Hey guys, how are you all guys doing? Welcome back to my another video. And as our exams are now over and we have given our CVT with the aspiration of fulfilling our dreams of getting into a big college and enjoying our college life. So the results are also out now, and I hope that all of my subscribers get a good college in the north campus, or it can be in the south campus also. So yeah, as I am here, so today we will be getting a clear idea about what the colleges offer us in the north campus and or in the south campus, because there is a common belief in the society that the north campus colleges are a little bit more fantastic than the south campus colleges, and there are only one or two colleges in the south campus that seems good. So yeah, today we will be getting a clear view about this, and I'll be clearing your doubts what the north campus and the south campus gives you, or the universities which you prefer to study from home, means the courses which you are doing right now, means it can be from the open colleges, or it can be any degree of computer science or electrical engineering, or you can say of a IHM, which I am also pursuing. So let's start. So first let's go to North Campus, of which I was also dreaming to get a better college than the Brest. So yeah, I was also dreaming of getting a North Campus college and living a beautiful, you can say Bollywood life. So yeah, the colleges there are like Bollywood films. There are open rallies. There are open stalls on which people are talking about the present polity, and also there are rallies, and you can say that there is a more political atmosphere than the studies. So yeah, most children go to college to just get into the college party or just to get people's vote. So yeah, and if you will look at the south campus, the environment there is a little bit, you can say environment there is a little bit calm, moderate, and you will be getting something, as you can say. So yeah, you will be getting a more aesthetic environment in the south campus, because you can often meet children who are working working for money for their families. So yeah, the environment there is a little bit more in a lifestyle, has got more in a lifestyle. So yeah, you will be exploring the truths of life there. So yeah, this no south campus is not like you will be just chilling and yeah, making bros and going in the college fests, or dancing there, or just making political contest. So yeah, साउथ कैंपस इज नॉट लाइक डैट. हाँ, बट कुछ कॉलेजेस हैंगे साउथ कैंपस में, जैसे कि वेंकटेश्वर. सो या डैट कॉलेजेस ऑफर यू a little more aesthetic environment like this north campus. So yeah, the Venkateshwar college is among the north campus colleges, but it is situated in the south campus. So yeah, the people who have got south north Venkateshwar are more lucky than as compared to north campus, because that's a little bit more far place. So yeah, you would have understood the traveling stress and all. And I just wanted to express one regret that the CUT score has just not satisfied us, because as you all guys know, after the normalization process, our scores had gone down to earth. So yeah, they had gotten downward instead of getting raised. So yeah, the normalization process has not proved fruitful for many of the children, and yeah, many have benefited from it. सो या आई एम ऑफ द व्यू डैट जो हो गया होने दो, अब आगे का देखते हैं. सो अब जरा एक बात मैं उनकी कर लेता हूँ जो कि अपने घर पे बैठ के पेपर्स देते हैं, जैसे कि ओपन के बच्चे. सो या ये वो बंदे होते हैं जो एकदम चिल में रहते हैं अपना, मतलब किसी की चिंता नहीं फालतू की, रोज़ सुबह उठ के जस्ट बस नहीं पकड़नी एंड नॉट गेटिंग out for catching the bus or running after the bus, and after that getting being stuck in the metro, and after that reaching college with पहुंच गया. सो या ये वाले बंदे नहीं होते, ये होते चिल गाइस. सो ये लोग आराम से अपना घर में बैठ के चिल करते हैं और आराम से अपने मस्त 4 साल निकालते हैं. और बहुत से बच्चे जो है कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी भी करते हैं इस समय में. सो या अगर मेरे कंपैरिजन में देखो, तो अगर तुमको अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ इंजॉय करनी है, कि अगर चाहते हो कि हाँ भाई मैं बाकी बंदों की तरह मजे मारूँ, माँ बाप के पैसे उड़ा दूँ, ऐसे जला दूँ, सो तुम प्रीफर कर सकते हो रोज़ का कॉलेज जाना, और हाँ मतलब कि अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ इंजॉय कर सकते हो. अगर तुम थोड़े बहुत पैसे उड़ाने वाले बंदे हो तो। और हाँ, अगर तुम चाहते हो कि मैं अपने करियर के ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान दूँ इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग कॉलेज एंड चिलिंग, सो तुम लोग घर में रह के भी अपने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी कर सकते हो। बट मेरा मानना ये है कि वाला फेज़ दोबारा नहीं आता है, सो चिल करना ज़्यादा बेटर ऑप्शन रहेगा। सो जस्ट चिल गाइस। एंड मैं एक बात बताना चाहता था कि मेरा एडमिशन जो है IHM कॉलेज ऑफ हॉस्पिटैलिटी, मतलब कौन सा कोर्स था वो, उसमें हो चुका है। सो या कल मैंने फ़ीस जो है, आई हैड पेड द फीस द प्रीवियस डे, एंड after paying the fees, I get to know one thing, that for admission you have to submit all of your documents from class 10 to till now, and also there are many certificates on which they will be making you sign, and after that you will be going to the college. And I have just got to know a more worse thing about the IHM. Means it's not worse, but it's something like a stressful thing, that you have to just go there, and sometimes the classes are like just for standing, means you have to just stand and see what the lecturer is teaching. So yeah, we both will be facing a stress of 6 to 7 hours, means state of standing. So yeah, you know what I am telling. So ये वाले कोर्सेज कुछ ऐसे ही होते हैं, जैसे कुछ खाना उन्हें बनाने का होता है ना, शेफ वूफ का, तो उसमें ऐसा ही होता है, मतलब खड़े होकर गर्मी में बस सीखना पड़ता है। सो इस कोर्स में ऐसा ही होता है, लेकिन हाँ, इसके बाद अच्छी पेइंग जॉब्स मिल जाती हैं। सो अगर शेफ़ में खाना बनाने में इंटरेस्ट हैगा, सो तुम जो है ये अभी भी अपने लिए ऑप्ट कर सकते हो। शायद से इस समय गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस की तो बंद हो गई होगी, बट हाँ, आई एम नॉट श्योर डैट यू विल बी गेटिंग एडमिशन इन प्राइवेट with less fees or not, but I am sure with this that if you have any interest in hospitality, so you will be getting full chill in this course. So yeah, I was just here to tell something about the colleges, and also to make you guys aware what the college life is going to be in the next 4 years. So yeah, I have gathered this information from my brother. My one brother has studied from the north and one from the south. So yeah, they both have just put their views, and I have just gathered them all and researched a little and put my views. So या अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करे बिना मत जाना, और चैनल पर नहीं हो तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना। बाकी मिलते हैं थोड़े दिनों में, अब सीधा हम लोग IHM के कॉलेज में मिलेंगे। चलो बाय।
Prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact, never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up staying strong, always moving on,